Hi guys, Steph here. Now, Sunday just gone was Father's Day, and I had a lovely day. I spent most of the day with my family, my grandchildren, and it was very nice indeed. But in the morning, not so early this time. I think it was just normal time. I went to a small antiques fair close to where I live, only about maybe I think 20 minutes drive away. So it was nice and close. And well, here's the fair itself, as you can see. Yeah, quite a small fair, but always worth searching. And these are some of the pens that I actually found. Now, the nice thing about these fairs, I go quite regular, and I've got sort of, if you like, regular sort of sellers that look out for me. And when I walk past, they'll say, "Hey, Stefan, I've got something for you." And they do sort of collect or find pens for me. So that's quite handy. But in no particular order, let's show you what we've found. There we go, a lovely black Parker Fold. Is this the AF? Is it? Oh no, it's a button filler. So once restored, cleaned up, that'll make a nice, handsome fountain pen. We've got this one here. Right, it's got this hooded nib again. In fact, I think we had one of these quite recent. It's a Waterman. I can't see what number it is, but you'll be able to see it better than I will. So we found a nice Waterman. There we go, little Parker Slim Fold. I don't normally buy these, but it came with a number of other pens. There you go, it's got the wrong nib. Looks like it's got no feed with it as well. So yeah, I'm not sure what I'll do with that. There we go, a nice Burnham fountain pen. It's got the correct nib as well. A lovely, yeah, it's a lovely pen, blue with these sort of golden veins. Nice condition. Anybody looking for a Burnham, you know what to do. Get in touch. In fact, any of the pens in this small haul, or any of the hauls I've done in the past, still lots and lots of pens available. Get in touch below. There we go. A nice Conway Stewart. It's got the Conway Stewart nib as well, with nickel trim. Once sort of cleaned up, restored, that'll make a lovely pen. Let's look at this case. Oh yeah, I found this case with a few pens in it. Look at this, a gorgeous pattern, this sort of green hatch pattern. This is actually a Kingswood fountain pen, and it's got a lovely ever sharp nib. I was going to say fountain pen then. It's got a lovely ever sharp nib to it. Unfortunately, no cap. Anybody out there got a spare cap for this particular pen? I'd be very much appreciated. So we need to find a cap for that, and that'll make a gorgeous pen. We've got this, is it a Swan? Can't remember what number. Let me have a look. Okay, on the cap it says Swan number 2. Quite short. You can see we've got a big issue there. It's the bottom of the, well, I think the clip is holding the crack in the cap. It's got a nice nib to it. It's an eyedropper. Not sure what I'll do with this one. As I've mentioned before, in pen holes, I do buy pen. Well, sometimes they come in a job lot, so you have to buy them anyway. But in some cases, these pens, just for the fact for the nib, I can use a nib maybe in another pen. So yeah, you know, I will buy pens for parts. This one's an interesting one. Okay, it's got sort of this hooded nib. I think I've reviewed these pens before, and if I show you the barrel imprint, there you go. It's a Mentmore, and once again, you people can see that number, I think, better than I can over the camera. So a nice Mentmore pen. So yeah, when we get time, we'll service that. And last but not least, look at this one. This one's very nice indeed as well. This is a Parker Televisor fountain pen. It's got the correct nib there, sort of misaligned as you can see. So yeah, just need to do some work on this one. By the looks of the blind cap, it's a button filler, but yeah, a lovely Parker Televisor fountain pen. Let's go straight to this. Is just I think it's an empty box that I found. So these boxes come in handy now and again to put pens in them. Okay, there you go. We've got a Swan box there. You can see it's an old box. Look at the date there. Can you see to the right? July, is it 1916? So we've got not one, but two early Swan pens, both eyedroppers, both in nice condition. Look at that, lovely imprint there. And, well, there you go, you can see both imprints, very nice indeed. Okay, and if I take the cap off, which is a slip cap, there you go, it's got this over and under feed. There's a slight issue to the top, very loose, so I'm not sure what's going to happen with this pen. But lovely chasing pattern, lovely condition. And the other one, yeah, it's pretty well the same. You can see it's got this over and under feed. Very nice indeed. Do we have any model numbers on them? Let me just, I should come prepared, shouldn't I? Right, this one, right, that one has got 4,500 to the cap, and this one has got 200 on the cap. So maybe, are they the models? I'm not too sure, but they come in an early Swan box, as you can see there. We've got a nice Sheaffer box here, and quite a modern Sheaffer pen, but if you look there, okay, we've got the model number. Is that the wrong way? So we've got a Sheaffer, does it say Sheaffer 200? Medium, in lovely condition. Sheaffer there, as you can see. Can't remember, oh, is that USA, does it say? Got a nice nib to it as well. So quite a modern one, but a lovely, attractive Sheaffer pen. Anybody looking for a quite modern Sheaffer pen, get in touch. And last but not least, what we'll do, this'll be the teaser pen. It's a Waterman Paris. To give you a clue, it's actually, I believe it's a modernish pen, i.e. I believe around about 1970s, made in Paris, but I believe it's quite a rare pen. So a modern pen from the 1970s. And again, just doing a little bit of homework, it could be, in my opinion, a rare-ish pen. But we'll leave you in suspense and we'll show you the pen soon. So there we go. That's the suspense pen for today. And that's it. So there we have it. Just a small haul from early Sunday morning on Father's Day. Yeah, it was worth a trip out. It got me out of the house. It was a lovely day. So there we have it. I hope you've enjoyed looking at these pens as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment below. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. But for now, I'm going to say Slavo Ukraini from me and these lovely pens. I'm going to say bye-bye for now.